you have heard that you are what you eat. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I Shreya Katyal welcome you all to Rubaru. You're watching MSTV and today I'm in conversation with one of the leading dietitians, Miss Shikha A. Sharma, who says that eat, sleep, no exercise and lose. So let's talk to her, know her mantra and let's see what a perfect diet plan is. Hello ma'am, welcome to Marva Studios today.
Thank you so much.
So first of all, I would like to know a brief about your story, your journey and why you decided to be a dietitian, a fitness expert I must say.
Well, Shreya, this is like a very interesting story, and it is always a saying that what is written in your next page by the God, you never know about that.
Exactly.
So, otherwise, you know, my 8 years experience is from the recruitments, and I serve 8 years in recruitments. And after that, you know, I was like quite fat, like since my childhood, I was always on a little higher side.
Kind of a weight gaining tendency.
Yes, a lot, right? So, just like that, you know, I have done my, you know, this diet course. Nothing was in my mind, you know, that where I'll gonna reach or something. So, I remember, you know, I was finished up with my studies, and while doing my course, I was also losing a weight.
Okay.
So, I remember when I finished my course, so I was just walking with one of my friends. So, I met with my friend's friends. Right, she kind of said, oh, you know, you lost a lot of weight. I said, yeah, I lost it. How? I just said, you know, just like that, oh, I'm practicing. So like, okay, by the name of. So I was just, you know, I still remember I was standing near to the park where I was talking to my, you know, one of my friends, and I just said, by the name of Fat to Slim.
Okay.
Right, it just came in my mind just like that. So I just said Fat to Slim. I was like, okay, so I like to consult you. I said, yeah, sure, I'll give you the appointment. So let's meet tomorrow. So she was my first client, and so now it's 2 years of the company, and now Fat to Slim, from there, now it is into a multiple franchises, and that's not just in India, that's in all over the world. In fact, recently my franchisee has been opened in New Jersey, USA also.
Oh, wonderful.
And very soon it will be opening in Holland also. And now Fat to Slim, you know, I recently got the award from NewsX channel from Srimati Simriti Irani ji, where only the 5 personalities got the award. One is Chitranjana Sen, second is Dinah Petty from Cocktail, then Fatima from Dangal, and me into diet and nutrition, and one lawyer.
That's amazing. So we can see that what kind of beautiful and amazing work you are doing and making people so happy, because this weight gain is a biggest concern I must say for every person.
Absolutely.
And specifically females.
Absolutely.
So I would like to ask you that once you design a diet plan for somebody, what are those things that you keep in your mind? Because every body type is different, every person's, you know, adapting capacity is different.
Absolutely.
So what are those things which you keep in mind while deciding a diet plan for somebody?
So Shreya, before telling that, I like to say, for example, you said especially for the women, it's important to lose weight.
Exactly.
Well, I simply say one thing, it's not only for the women's, it's about the human being. Because right body is the right of every human being.
But girls are more concerned
No,
about
in fact,
their weight.
nowadays even the males are more male are equally concerned, right? Because what is weight gain? We should not be saying, but somewhere else it is a kind of anxiety, it is a kind of depression, right? And I have seen a lot of my clients, you know, whether it's a male or female, their professional life have completely changed.
Right.
The kind of growth they start getting in the life is completely different.
It gives you a confidence
It gives you
from within,
100%
right?
confidence. So, you know, for example, there was one of my client, he was a manager in Axis Bank.
Okay.
So, when he started losing a weight, his performance started going so up, he became a talk of the, of his office. So, he shared one of the, incident with me that, he entered the conference room, and in fact, the seniors, VPs and everyone wanted to talk to him that how he does it, right? Because
Everybody tends to ask.
absolutely.
Exactly.
So this is my message for everybody, every human being, that weight loss is the very important, because it's always a saying, destiny is not in our hand, but body is in our hand.
Very true.
So if you cannot handle your body, even destiny, if you come in hand, that you cannot handle it.
Very well said.
Right.
And it adds on to a feel-good factor in your life.
100%, 100%, because okay, so and now as you asked,
Coming on to my question,
right? Coming on your question.
So, what are
Shreya.
those factors that you keep in mind while designing a diet plan for somebody?
Okay, so first of all, you know, like I'm sure you and lot of you know friends must have tried of the diet, right? But end of the day क्या एक आता है उनके मन में, मैं तो कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ,
हाँ, स्केल ही नहीं हिल रहा
और मैं कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ, कौन खाएगा ये ब्रांड आटा, कौन खाएगा ये ओट्स आटा. And they're absolutely right. For example, you know, I am the only dietitian who is specialized to a Indian based diet, because it is very important to treat the body the way it has been brought up, right? And that is the reason बहुत बारी हम लोग डाइट वगैरह सोचते हैं बट हम कभी कुछ कर नहीं पाते हैं, राइट? वी स्टार्ट फॉर वन थिंग एंड वी जस्ट लीव इट इन बिटवीन बिकॉज नोबडी हैव time to cook specially for him or herself.
Specially cook kar bhi le, but then again we think that why should we lose on flavors?
Absolutely.
Like we have one life, so
Absolutely.
everybody needs every kind of flavor.
Absolutely. So now as you said कि कर भी ले, वो कितने दिन तक आप करोगे?
Flavorless diet is flavorless life.
Absolutely, very well said. And top of it, आप cooking कर भी लोगे 1 month, maximum 2 months, and after that what? True. And the moment you know stop cooking a special for you, the weight bounce back, and that may be the, you know, सबके पास एक वो चीज रहती होगी, हमने weight lose किया and the moment we leave it, we gain back.
So we need some stable diet.
Absolutely. Right? So for that you need to follow as per the country where you have born and you have been brought up.
Okay.
Right.
So you ask the person's nationality and everything.
Absolutely, okay. Right. And second, no, I'm specialized into an Indian based diet, okay. So I only deal with, you know, Indians itself. For example, you know, when we consulting, because we are consulting all over the world, New Jersey, London, California, everywhere, so we consulting Indians,
okay,
right? Second, you know, we use different kind of kitchen spices.
So Indians में भी it would be like South Indian है तो उनकी अलग diets होंगी, and Punjabis हैं तो अलग diet आप design करेंगे, something
absolutely,
like that?
Absolutely. For example, if you ask Bengalis to leave non-veg, I tried actually,
okay,
right, they'll get ill. You cannot take non-veg out from the Bengalis diet.
It's in their genes.
They are, exactly. It's in gene. For example, South Indian, you cannot take away the rice, right?
True.
So of course, in terms of Indians, we can
Punjabis,
specialize.
Fats, ghee.
Punjabis are normal, right? So they can be treated in any manner, okay, right? And top of it, we use different kind of kitchen spices, which is available in your own kitchen,
okay,
which naturally melt your store fat and not let the new fat cells to generate.
Oh.
राइट एंड जब भी हमारे दिमाग में किचन स्पाइसेस आता है श्रेया, सबसे पहले क्या आता है? जीरे का पानी,
right,
मेथी का पानी. आई एम श्योर यहाँ पे सारे व्यूअर्स का जैसे मैंने किचन स्पाइसेस बोला उनका जीरे का पानी, मेथी का पानी. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड दैट जब रात को हम जीरा भिगोते हैं एंड मॉर्निंग में व्हेन वी ड्रिंकिंग द वाटर, वी टेकिंग ऑल द टॉक्सिन and we're taking all the you know, like labor hand waste, and we're drinking it and we're throwing the real thing.
Okay.
हमें जो किचन स्पाइसेस है हमें उस तरीके से लेनी जैसे हमें नेचर ने दी है, right?
It's just like rather than drinking a juice, eat a fruit.
Absolutely. So in the same manner, and it's always a saying, we are from this nature and all the answer hide in this nature itself.
Very true. We are just moving away from the nature, that's why we are losing our nature.
Absolutely. You know, for example, if you see our grandparents या parents पहले वो खाने के साथ green मिर्ची जरूर लेते थे. Right.
It was a metabolism enhancer.
Absolutely. It speed up your metabolism. It's very good for eyesight also. Right. So there was a reason of each and everything which our ancestor, our adults were doing earlier, and now we have forgot those things, and that is the reason our health are completely for a toss. So I am connecting people back to the nature.
Okay, so you give them some homemade remedies kind of thing.
I suggest the kitchen spices. Which is available in your own kitchen, because our company, we don't give anything from our side, because I simply say, right, we are a dietitian, we are not the shopkeepers.
So it's like we hear the term balanced diet. It should have all the proteins, the minerals and all. So what kind of these things like proteins, minerals are there in your diet recommended by you to make it a balanced diet?
Very nicely question asked, right? जब प्रोटीन की बात आती है, डाइट वेट लूज मतलब प्रोटीन.
या दे से दैट प्रोटीन भी कम होगा तो वेट लूज नहीं होगा, या फिर विटामिन डी की डेफिशिएंसी से भी कई बार नहीं होता है.
विटामिन डी इज नथिंग टू डू विद दैट. इट्स रिलेटेड टू बोन्स, राइट?
या दे से दैट इट slows your metabolism.
It's always whenever the weight loss it's like high protein diet.
Okay.
Weight loss karna, high protein diet. I'm sure you must also heard a lot of time. What is protein, right? And this is a very important
protein
topic.
Only if you are exercising.
Yes, this topic is very important for our viewers to listen carefully and note it down, because of this, like a lot of people are suffering from different things. What is protein? Protein is the energy.
Right.
Right, it is a charbi, right? And when your
That's
body,
why I said exercise.
Yes, absolutely. So when your body have a sufficient protein, why you need extra protein? Even if you're exercising, you are fat and you're exercising, right? To burn your extra protein, your charbi, right? Why you need extra protein? You don't require extra protein in terms of a artificial protein, right? If you take extra protein as a lay person, you know it can hamper your kidney, it can give you the stones also. So you doesn't require anything extra artificial protein even when
So it's like a kind
even
of
when you're
confusion.
losing weight, right? Take a normal things. For example, I have consulted the, I was a, one of the, this official dietitian for Waco Kickboxing League. So when I consulted my wrestlers also, right, from my side, I have suggested them the natural protein. Right, in terms of a lot of dal, lot of soya, XYZ thing, because they are wrestlers.
Right.
But when I am treating the normal body, I am not only focusing on the protein, because body को क्या चीज की जरूरत है? Body को vitamin, mineral,
That's what
zinc,
balanced diet.
calcium, potassium, उन सब की जरूरत है.
तो आप इस तरीके से प्लान करते हैं.
Absolutely, so that my client should not be getting protein word, उनकी body में sufficient protein है, doesn't require extra, right? They need vitamin, mineral, zinc, calcium, potassium, और वो कैसे दे रहे हैं हम लोग? With the help of the kitchen spices.
Okay, so again coming on to the same thing.
Absolutely.
Okay, since we are talking about proteins, there is a myth, I would say, that to get protein in your body, eat a lot of non-veg. It's the best source of protein. Eat fish, it's the best source. So for the vegetarians, I would like to ask that, is it true that if you need protein and if you want to have a good, I would say, good physique or good health, so is it advisable that you should only hop on to non-veg?
Very, very nice question. राइट तो मेरे पास भी हमारी टीम के
बहुत
पास जो
चीज़ें
लोग
होती
आते हैं
हैं।
यही बोलते हैं, मैं तो वेजिटेरियन हूँ, मैं तो डाइट नहीं कर
नहीं कर
पाऊंगी,
पाएंगे,
राइट? So for this I simply say, for example, for my mom said I'm a baniya, right? They don't eat non-veg, even non-veg का word तक allowed नहीं होता families में, right? So are we not fit? Right? For example, and in fact, like
they say अंदर deficiency हो जाएगी, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा.
a big myth. In fact, when Kareena Kapoor turned size 0, she became a vegetarian.
Okay.
Right? In fact, a lot of our celebrities, right, they become a vegetarian. So vegetarian food are much healthier than the non-vegetarian food. So when you're taking a non-veg, what are you doing? You're putting charbi inside your body.
True.
You're putting protein inside your body. But if your body have a sufficient of charbi, sufficient of protein, why you need extra? और वो dietitian क्यों देते हैं? अब माइंड में क्वेश्चन आता है, फिर डाइटिशियन तो देते हैं, लोगों का वेट भी रिड्यूस होता है,
non-veg,
राइट?
लेमन चिकन,
राइट. व्हाई दे डू इट? बिकॉज दे कैन प्ले ओनली विद द फूड. अब उन्हें खाना भी कम देना है, राइट? उनको एनर्जी भी देनी है, राइट? तो क्या करेंगे? दैट इज द रीजन इन द मॉर्निंग, आफ्टरनून, नाइट दे जस्ट add प्रोटीन, so that they should eating less but the energy should not be depriving.
So how can we compensate for that?
What compensation?
I mean, non-veg diet, non-veg protein diet recommended by your dietitian. How can it be compensated for a vegetarian? I would like.
It's not about compensating at all. It's about the take a normal meal.
Okay.
Right, it's about the taking a normal meal. आप normal खाइए ना, जैसे normal रोटी सब्जी आपकी होती है, right? In the breakfast you can take your poha, you can take सूजी उपमा, whatever, sandwich.
नहीं, जैसे for example, जैसे non-veg दिया एक chicken, they told you that you can have at this particular time in the afternoon, have chicken for your diet, it will add on to protein in your diet. So how can a vegetarian compensate for that rather than taking that?
That's what I'm saying, Shreya. It doesn't require to compensate anything.
That nutrient.
Because note this point, this is the big myth that everybody has, right? When your body is fat, you have a sufficient protein inside your body. Okay. You doesn't require extra. If you take extra protein, it can hamper your kidney, it can give you the stone. For example, I'll share an example. One of my clients' friend, right, he was lot into weight loss.
Okay.
So उसने diet लिया, it was protein, and one day while taking a bath, he just collapsed.
Oh.
Is actually, like because of the high protein, he got a hemorrhage.
Oh.
Right? क्योंकि हमें
So it can get that
absolutely
intense.
100%. Right? That's a reason body need everything. Why to compensate?
Balance is beauty.
Balance is very important. You need vitamin, you need mineral, you need zinc, you need potassium. उसी से तो हमारी बॉडी बनती है.
True.
प्रोटीन से थोड़ी हमारी सिर्फ बॉडी बनती है.
सही
So
बात.
you need everything, and that and so you no need to compensate on anything. If you're vegetarian or non-vegetarian, a proper meal लीजिए अपनी. For example, there was a client of mine in Australia, Shruti Bajaj.
Okay.
उसका बचपन से आयरन कम रहता था.
Okay.
राइट, एंड शी वेंट टू अ डॉक्टर एंड फर्स्ट टाइम लाइफ में उसका आयरन ठीक आया. सो वहाँ के डॉक्टर ने पूछा आपने क्या किया, व्हाट यू हैव डन, हैव यू टेकन एनी सप्लीमेंटेशन, लाइक नो. यू टेकन इंजेक्शन, लाइक नो. व्हाट यू हैव डन, कहते हैव टेकन अ वन डाइट, कहता शो मी दैट डाइट. सो हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल, मैंने उसे कोई नॉनवेज थोड़ी दिया था. आई वाज सिंपली यूजिंग our ancestor things. I was simply using our nature, that is the kitchen spices.
आपको ये आइडिया कहाँ से स्ट्राइक हुआ?
Okay, ये idea कहाँ से strike हुआ? Look, I've done a study on this,
Okay.
right? And top of it, you know, while
Like what
we were-
inspired you?
Look, I've done a study, and top of it,
That
then
is
I've-
one thing,
That
you-
is one thing, and then you know, like I read a lot about it. I read a lot about
Ancient spices and everything.
Absolutely,
Okay.
I read a lot about Asian spices, and then I've seen, then I thought that our grandparents, our parents used to be so strong, and they were much energetic than us. And top of it, how it has inspired me, and it is not only on people. I have done it myself. So
That's
where
very
my
true.
viewers seeing me all fit sitting here and talking this thing, while I myself crossed the journey of 86 kg to 52, from 3 triple XL to the extra small in the span of 1.5 years.
That is so beautiful.
Right, with all the charm, with all the energy.
I can see that glow on the face.
And it is always a saying, Shreya, face is the mirror of the body.
Very true.
If your face is good, it means your body is good.
healthy,
Right? That is the reason you must have seen of lot of your friends जो weight lose करते हैं but उनका face पूरा चला जाता है.
पूरा चार्म ही खो जाता है.
आप मिलते हो, आप कहते हो यार बीमार है क्या,
हाँ.
यार यू लुकिंग सो ओल्ड, ऐसी डाइट क्यों कर रही है, खा ले यार, बहुत गंदी लग रही है.
right.
Why? Because their face are saying they are not well.
True.
Right? They
फेस पे सबसे पहले आता है.
100%. Face is the mirror of the body. If your face is good, it means your body is good. In fact, with my diet, though it is not a photo of my diet, but still, with my diet, my clients have gone fairer also. Right?
Because अंदर से I think blood भी purify होता है and
Absolutely, with the
everything.
help of our Asian
True,
thing, kitchen
true.
spices, the pores have completely closed. I have taken care of the high pigmentation also, जो बड़ी कंपनीज नहीं कर पाती है. Right? I
So
have
natural जो हमारी remedies हैं, जो हमारा Indian culture है, it has a lot of great secrets.
it is complete secret.
Unmatchable,
Absolutely,
unbeatable.
absolutely. And for example, basil, tulsi, right? It is a natural prevention of the cancer. अगर तुलसी आप रोज अपनी मील आप सुबह खाली पेट लेंगे, राइट, 2 से 3 पत्ते, आपको कभी कैंसर नहीं होगा.
अरे वाह.
राइट, एंड बट ये है कि तुलसी को कभी चबाना नहीं होता है, बिकॉज दैट हैव अ काइंड ऑफ एसिड विच कैन हैम्पर आर लाइक टीथ, हार्ट, जोस, एंड इंडियन कल्चर में हम चबाते भी नहीं है.
वो तो इंडियन कल्चर में तो पहले के लोगों को आई थिंक नॉलेज नहीं थी, इसलिए उनको डराने के लिए बताया जाता था.
उनको नॉलेज थी.
सो वो एसिड वाला आई थिंक कंसेप्ट नहीं पता होगा तभी.
मतलब जी दे यूज्ड टू जस्ट से इट, राइट, मतलब
To make it a religious thing.
I'll tell you, श्रिया, हम एशियन जो बात कर रहे हैं ना, हम तब की बात कर रहे हैं जब उस टाइम पे ये बता दिया था कि अर्थ स्ट्रेट नहीं है, गोल है.
हाँ, आई वुड से दैट उनको साइंटिफिक टर्म्स नहीं पता थे ना कि एसिड होगा या ये होगा. उनको पता था कुछ होता है, बट देन दूसरों को समझाने के लिए दे हैड टू पुट सम फियर, गॉड फियर.
Absolutely.
That's what I mean.
100%. So you just need to take 3 tulsi leaf and just need to gulp it with the water, prevent you from the cancer.
Okay.
In fact, garlic, it's a very good prevention for the
for
cancer.
heart also.
Right,
They
and
say
for
it's
the
very
heart.
healthy for
Yes,
heart.
yes, and even for the cancer also. So you can take 2 garlic clove in the morning and just need to gulp it with the water.
So that's another mantra to stay
Yes,
healthy.
100%.
Okay, now coming on to the myths. जैसा अभी हमने डिस्कस भी किया कि काफ़ी सारी मिसकंसेप्शंस हैं लोगों के दिमाग में कि ये होगा तो ये हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी से दैट गर्म पानी पीजिए एंड यू विल रिड्यूस ट्रिमेंडसली, इट्स गुड. सो इस तरीके के कुछ मिथ्स ब्रेक करते हैं आपके माइंड में, आपने इनकाउंटर करे होंगे अपने क्लाइंट्स से. सो आई वुड लाइक यू टू शेयर देम.
Absolutely. So, Shreya, एक ये कहते हैं ना एंसेस्टर वाली बातें पास होती जा रही है, गर्म पानी एक दूसरे को बताते रहते हैं, जितने बड़े हम होते रहते हैं हम एक दूसरे को बताते रहते हैं कि गर्म पानी सुबह पी, उसमें नींबू डाल, हनी डाल, तू पतला हो जाएगा, पतली हो जाएगी. Well, this is a completely a big myth, even if you do a research about it, that garam pani stop our metabolism.
Okay.
For example, when we into AC, we feel energetic. The moment we into hot temperature, we feel energyless.
Drained, right?
Yes. So same goes for our body temperature also.
Okay.
Right. So say, so if you're drinking a hot water, same goes for metabolism also. So if you taking a hot water, you're slowing down your metabolism. If you take a cold water, your metabolism speed up. And when I say
but
cold
they say
water,
that you drink cold water, you gain weight.
No. Absolutely wrong. That's the reason I'm saying that each where they can do a research about it, right?
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो पता ही नहीं है,
top
गलत पता है.
dietitian they can tell that ठंडा पानी, normal पानी, सुराई का पानी, बाहर normal पानी, it increase the metabolism.
So cold water doesn't mean fridge cold.
No, it doesn't mean normal. Like पहले के लोग सुराई का पानी क्यों पीते थे? Actually, that was very good. फ्रिज का जो वाटर होता है that is artificially
कॉपर वेसल में रख के भी काफी हेल्दी होता है.
yes. तो फ्रिज का जो पानी होता है that is artificially जो ठंडा होता है, तो बाहर का नॉर्मल पानी पीजिए, that is good, but no hot water, no lukewarm water. Now no more torture. Right? और जैसे आपने मिथ की बात करी तो
फर्स्ट मिथ ब्रेक हो गया that hot water is not that healthy as we think.
No.
Okay, so next.
Second is come the green tea.
ग्रीन टी.
आज मैंने सोचा मैं वेट लूज करने चलूंगी, तो सबसे पहले मम्मी को बोला, हस्बैंड को बोला, यार ग्रीन टी लेके आना. अब से मैं
दिन में ऐड हो गई अब 4 बजे ग्रीन टी.
राइट, तो रोज अब मुझे ग्रीन टी पीना है.
Right.
Well, this is absolutely a biggest myth that green tea lead you to weight lose.
Okay.
Right? Green tea basically detoxify your body. It relax yourself. Right? I'm sure you never must have seen that your, your grandparents, parents were drinking a green tea.
Not at all.
Right? Not at all, and they were much fitter than us. So green tea is basically detoxify your body.
Green tea, black tea.
Right, green tea. Green tea detoxify your body and it make you relax. और हम ग्रीन टी कैसे लेते हैं? We put 1 packet, उसे अच्छी तरह डिप करते हैं. महंगी है, एकदम से फेंक नहीं देंगे. उसे अच्छी तरह डिप करते हैं, उसको पूरा निचोड़ लेते हैं, काढ़ा बना लेते हैं, and we drink like a punishment.
Yeah.
That is a wrong way of taking a green tea.
It's tasteless.
Yes, how we have to take it? Take a hot water, just dip it 1-2 times and put that packet into your refrigerator and enjoy the sip. 1 pack sachet can use up to 5 times.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That was never known. It's something
Absolutely.
new.
So this is
Why
the
don't
way
they write it on their box?
सेल कम नहीं हो जाएगी. Right, so no, green tea is basically relaxify yourself, it detoxify, and 1 sachet can use up to 5
तो मतलब एक बॉक्स की जगह 5 बॉक्स आ सकते हैं.
5 बॉक्स आराम से आ जाएंगे. जो नहीं भी ले रहे हैं वेट लूज के लिए, राइट, तो कोई ही इसको पनिशमेंट की तरह नहीं, जस्ट टू रिलैक्सिफाई टेक, बट नॉट फॉर द वेट लूज. इफ यू हैव दिस माइंड, बिकॉज बहुत मेरे क्लाइंट बोलते हैं हम तो ना खाने के बाद ना ग्रीन टी पी लेते, डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है. I said, यार फिर तो मैं ही कर लूंगी. I'll eat everything in this world and I digest with it. No, this is a completely a biggest myth.
Okay, so there's one thing which I have been hearing, that once you eat your meal, so don't sit idle immediately, go for a walk, or don't lie down, especially on the bed. Go for a walk for 10 to 15 minutes and then you can just like relax something.
So,
does it affect?
Okay, so Shreya, very nice question. और इस क्वेश्चन पे एक और बनता है कि वेट लूज के लिए एक्सरसाइज बहुत ज़रूरी है, राइट? ये राइट. सो आई सिंपली से वन थिंग दैट I'm making people lose with eat,
Yes,
sleep,
that's your tagline.
no exercise and lose.
True.
आपको खाना है, पीना है, सोना है, and without exercise, see yourself getting lose weight. Why? Because 80% is the food, right? And 20% is the exercise. So what you eating, it's showing outside your body. राइट, तो ये बहुत बड़ा मिथ है कि अब जैसे खाना खा ले चलो मैं खड़ी हो जाती हूँ, भागने लग जाती हूँ, तो मोटी हो जाऊंगी. कम ऑन, राइट? इफ यू सी आवर मेड्स, राइट, हु आर परमानेंट एट आवर हाउस, वो फटाफट से खाना बनाती हैं, सबको खिलाती हैं और वो सीधा सोने चली जाती हैं. यू डोंट सी देम गेनिंग वेट. इट इज आवर क्लास हु इज गेनिंग वेट, इट्स नॉट आवर लेबर क्लास.
इनका तो मेटाबॉलिज्म ही ऐसा है, ये तो पैदा ही ऐसे हुए हैं.
कैसे पैदा हुआ है? भगवान ने सबको बनाया है. It's just that the terms of the money we have been distributed.
True.
Otherwise, human body is human body. Right? अगर ऐसा होता तो my labor class maid और हमारे beggar सबसे ज़्यादा मोटे होते. So no, guys, not at all. Because I simply say, look, exercise करना अच्छी बात है, right? But we don't have time for that. Right? because right now we are sitting here and after 1 hour where we are going we don't know about it.
Very true.
And that is the reason आज हमारी generation, हमारे जो obese लोग हैं, you know, obese society, why they not able to lose weight? Because उनके mind में रहता है हम तो exercise ही नहीं कर सकते, weight कैसे lose
एक
करेंगे?
गिल्ट भी हो जाता है
Guilt
काफी
भी हो
ज्यादा
जाता है।
कि हमने जिम मिस कर दिया आज एंड मैं गई नहीं जिम, अच्छा
Right.
गेन हो जाएगा, अच्छा खा इतना लिया, तो उस पे आपका क्या कमेंट है?
Absolutely. So not at all. Without exercise, I am making people lose even the 7 kgs से लेके in a month's time. I have made people lose up to 20 kgs. In fact, I myself with eat, sleep, no exercise, I lost 40 kg.
Yeah, that's what you share.
Right. And with all the tight skin, एक ये भी myth होता है कि हम exercise नहीं करेंगे तो my skin lose हो जाएगी.
Exactly.
Right.
We'll
And you
age faster.
Right. And you must have seen lot of your friends जिन्होंने weight lose किया उनकी skin फिर ढीली लगती है. Right. Why this thing happen? Because that time you're not eating nicely. For example, जब हम hospitalize हो जाते हैं, we look like a dull people because हम लोग बीमार हैं.
They say that if you stop exercising, आपकी स्किन लूज हो जाती है.
लूज हो जाती है. वो क्यों होती है? बिकॉज उस टाइम साइमल्टेनियसली आप स्टार्विंग कर रहे होते हैं.
Okay.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई एम मेकिंग माई क्लाइंट लूज एंड व्हेन आई हैव यू नो लाइक लॉस्ट वेट, राइट, व्हाई माई स्किन इज सो टाइट? बिकॉज आई हैव ईटन एंड आई हैव लॉस्ट. तो अगर आप ढंग से खाएंगे, पेट भर के खाएंगे और आप वेट लूज करेंगे, आपकी स्किन कभी भी लूज नहीं होगी. यू विल गेट विदाउट एक्सरसाइज, दिस इज माई surety and which I'm doing world over, you get a tight skin.
So it's like starving won't help you. You have to eat. You have to, you know, pamper your body.
Absolutely. My every client
make it
says,
feel
"Shikha, please
beautiful."
हमारा खाना कम कर दो. जब मैं उनको कम खाने की डाइट हम लोग देते हैं, वो खुश हो जाते हैं कि वाओ हमें थोड़ी टफ डाइट आई है.
वो ये ना साइकोलॉजी वैसी बन चुकी है और वो ब्रेक करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Absolutely,
काफी
100%.
चीजें हमें पता ही नहीं है और हम वही जीते जा रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
तभी तो हमने आज आपको इनवाइट किया है.
All pleasure is mine.
Okay, so any other myth you would like to share?
Absolutely. Then the come about the bran atta, oats atta.
हाँ, ब्राउन ब्रेड भी.
ब्रान आटा, ओट्स आटा, ब्राउन ब्रेड.
Brown breads.
वेल वेट लूज के लिए ब्रान आटा, ओट्स आटा की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay.
एक सिंपल सी चीज मैं बोलती हूँ, बचपन से आपने क्या ब्रान आटा, ओट्स आटा खाया? मैंने खाया.
अभी we have just
Right?
started.
Since a childhood we eating a wheat. Wheat is in our blood. राइट, जब तक आपको ग्लूटेन फ्री कोई एलर्जी नहीं है, जब तक व्हीट इज द बेस्ट सोर्स, बेस्ट थिंग टू डू इट. बिकॉज जब हम मम्मी के टमी में थे तब भी हम व्हीट खाते थे, जब बड़े हुए तब भी हम व्हीट खाते थे. आई सिंपली से bran and oats atta, it's meant for the cows and buffaloes, not for the normal human being.
So
It
it's
tastes
like
this.
जब सबसे पहले वेट कम करना होता है किसी को भी तो दिमाग में ये चीज़ आती है, नो मोर रोटीज, नो मोर व्हीट प्रोडक्ट्स, तभी कम होगा, कट डाउन होगा, ओनली सूप्स एंड सैलेड्स. सो व्हाट डू यू से ऑन
Not at all, not at all. आप 100%, इनफैक्ट मैं अपने क्लाइंट्स को दिन में से 4 रोटी देती हूँ. आई गिव अनलिमिटेड सब्जी, उसके अलावा से ब्रेकफास्ट अलग होता है, राइट, 7-8 बिस्किट्स अलग से होते हैं, टी कॉफीज आर अनलिमिटेड इन माय डाइट. रात को अगर आप लेट सोओगे तो उसके लिए भी टी कॉफी है, बिस्किट्स है, फ्रूट्स अलग से है. दिस इज द डाइट व्हिच आई प्लान फॉर माय गाइस.
सारा खा के अगर बढ़ गया तो
बढ़ता ही नहीं है. आई हैव दिस टेस्टिमोनियल विद मी, यू नो, माय क्लाइंट हु हैव इन फैक्ट लॉस्ट 4 kgs in 10 days with this kind of a diet.
with eating.
Yes, and what is the magic? It is in our kitchen. That is the kitchen spices.
So you add on the spices with these
Yes,
things.
Absolutely. So
That's
I
the
add
mantra.
on the kitchen spices. For example, recently हमारी डाइट बनाई गई है जिसके अंदर मॉर्निंग के अंदर we have you know this what you called pasta. Then I have sandwiches. Lunch में you have this burger, homemade pizza. दिन में we have 2-3 puris and all, right? So my clients are eating that with the kitchen spices and they're losing.
So it's like fast नहीं हो रहा है, feast हो रही है.
Absolutely, fast नहीं हो रहा है, feast हो रहा है. So this
That's
is my
amazing.
100% surety, and this is what that if we eating and if we losing, we lose more healthiest manner with all the charm.
And you don't regain.
You don't regain.
Exactly.
Because ये आप बचपन से ये खाओगे ना पूरी जिंदगी.
Right.
आप यही तो करोगे, खाओगे, सोगे, नॉर्मल रोटी सब्जी खाओगे. This is what you gonna do it. And top of it, जो आपके मन में क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, इतना खाने से कोई कैसे लूज कर सकता है श्रेया? Because I am not working on your body fat. अगर body fat पे हम काम करेंगे तो क्या होगा? The moment you lose it, it's okay. The moment you start eating, you gain back.
You are working on the habits.
I am working on the metabolism.
Metabolism.
Right, these spices are speeding up your metabolism. अगर वो slow है तो उसे fast कर रहा है, fast है तो very fast कर रहा है, extremely fast है तो उसे very fast कर रहा है. And that is the reason, you know, now, you know, Delhi media, they call me a magical dietitian because
It's actually magic.
I am doing magic.
Exactly, it's actually magic and moreover you are working on the habits also because जो आप recommend कर रहे हो वो रोज फॉलो करना आसान है.
Absolutely.
अब अगर हम
person.
ऐसी चीजें करेंगे जो हम थ्रू आउट लाइफ फॉलो ही नहीं कर सकते, उसका क्या फायदा है? फिर तो
Absolutely.
एक बार ड्रिप होगा फिर राइज होना ही
राइज
है.
होगा, यही होता है सबके साथ. एंड दिस इज माई 1000% गारंटी दैट वंस यू रीच योर journey, you don't even regain 1 kg back with me.
No, that's amazing. You're helping so many souls. Okay, so I gained a lot of knowledge from your side, and I must say it was wonderful interacting with you. I would like to have a message from your side about the complete good nutrition, good way of eating as we started, that eat the right way for the audiences now.
श्योर. श्रेया, उससे पहले आपने मुझे एक बात बोली थी ब्लैक कॉफ़ी की, ब्लैक कॉफ़ी ब्लैक टी, राइट? सो ये मैसेज ज़रूर मैं देना चाहूँगी हमारे व्यूअर्स को दैट हम क्या करते हैं, हम ब्लैक कॉफ़ी ब्लैक टी लेते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ फॉर लूजिंग वेट. दैट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज इन दैट सेंस वी टेकिंग अ प्योर कैफीन. वी टेकिंग अ प्योर कैफीन इनसाइड आवर बॉडी.
जिमिंग के लिए करते हैं लोग,
जिमिंग के लिए करते हैं, वेट लूज के लिए, जिसके लिए भी करते हैं. सो दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग बिकॉज उस सेंस में हम प्योर कैफीन बॉडी में डाल रहे हैं. तो प्लीज ऐड अ मिल्क इन दैट.
Okay, coffee also makes you gain weight, I've heard.
No, I give unlimited coffee and tea.
Okay.
In fact, coffee speed up your metabolism for 60 minutes and tea does
कितनी
it for 30
सारी
minutes.
misconceptions हैं.
Oh yes, and everybody can do a search about it if they, because that is the reason only the top and knowledgeable dietitians they can tell you about this.
Right.
Right. If you do a research about it, you get to know coffee 60 minutes तक हमारा metabolism speed up करती है and tea does it for 30 minutes.
Oh.
But don't add sugar inside it. Sugar, because sugar it doesn't have any nutrition.
Nowadays we have those sugar-free things and
Not sugar free. Use stevia.
stevia. Sugar-free has launched.
Yeah, sugar free have launched stevia. So stevia, because it is a natural form of sugar, so it is very good. So instead of sugar, use stevia, because sugar it doesn't have any nutrition at all, right? It just have a fat which is bad for the
We
skin
say it,
also.
empty calories.
Empty calories, right? So टी कॉफी आप अनलिमिटेड लीजिए दूध के साथ, उससे आपको कैल्शियम भी मिल जाएगा और आप कैफीन भी ले रहे हो, थोड़ा सा तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. बट मिल्क इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रेंड जहाँ पे डाइटिशियंस कहते हैं कि आप दूध लेना छोड़ दो.
हाँ, ये भी एक मिथ था. ये भी था कि दूध ही छोड़िए अगर वेट कम करना है. इट मेक्स यू
एंड आई एम रियली सरप्राइज हाउ पीपल दे डू इट. कम ऑन, दूध क्या है? दूध कैल्शियम है. अगर आप दूध पीना छोड़ देंगे, आप बुढ़ापे के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing for your age?
Osteoporosis का planning.
Yes, absolutely. And lot of client of mine they have faced this.
that's
उन्होंने
terrible.
20 kg lose किया 3 months में, simultaneously they got this problem, right? Because they stop milk. So please use your mind also. जो चीज़ें हम बचपन से कर रही है और अगर वो हमको नुकसान देती होती तो हम यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचते.
True.
Right? So please follow those things which you doing since your childhood. जो हमारे दादा दादी नाना नानी करते थे. Actually कहते हैं ना, दादी के नुस्खे नानी के नुस्खे मैजिकल होते हैं, and that is very true, and that what I am doing in my diet.
Granny's kitchen.
Granny kitchen, absolutely. Now Shikha is Sharma's kitchen.
That's
Right.
beautiful. Thanks for inspiring us today and
Absolutely.
making us know about so many things.
Absolutely.
Like I never knew these things, and मेरी बहुत सारी चीजें, बहुत सारी misconceptions clear हो गए हैं.
So इस पे एक message है, we do diet as a discipline, right? But discipline is the punishment. Diet should be a fun, because fun can be do it for the longer time, not the discipline.
Very true. So let's feast.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Thanks for coming to the studios
All pleasure
today.
is mine.
It was really amazing talking to you.
Same here.
Thank
same
you.
Here. Thank you.
So, do you realize that diet, health doesn't mean that you have to starve? And there's so much of magic in our granny's kitchen. Let's break up all the myths which we are carrying for so long in our minds. And of course, diets is not about, spending a lot of expenses. It can be earned economically as well. That's what Ms. Shikha has told us today. I hope you enjoyed this episode of ours and you will be connected to MSTV for long. Aishra Katyal sign off for the day, but I'll be back with another amazing celebrity guest for you. Till then, you keep watching MSTV and don't forget to subscribe and share our channel.